guys, Brother Jet here, and today I'm going to be showing my fidget spinner. It's cool. Finally got it. So
this is our new mommy.
She is pretty.
I can spin it. Obviously, looks so cool. Can you guys see that? Oh, did you guys see that? Rewind the video. Look at that. Whoa. You can see the exact shape. See?
We're gonna go ride our bikes.
Not trying to spin it as fast as I can, but if I were to spin it as fast as I could, that's how fast. Here's my sister's. It's yellow and black. And yeah. Hey, Aubrey, do you want me to show them your fidget spinner? And here's my sister's friend's fidget spinner. Okay, Aubrey, can you spin it? Just for a minute. I can't hold the camera and spin at the same time. It's hard. See, you can see they're the same. It's so cool. You guys gotta rewind the video and look at this. It's so cool. And yeah. Now look, if I put the penny on it, it'll launch a bit. That wasn't as fast as it could go. Flew all the way. That's a penny. That flew. Whoa. Fell on the ground. It's so cool. Where'd he go? He's gone. Teleported in a different dimension. Okay, whatever. Oh, there it is.
Sunglasses up.
Huh.
What if we put the penny on top and did that?
Which one?
And then, like, you can
Why don't you leave mommy alone for a while?
put this part on your finger and
Put them on the table. Natalie.
just spin it.
Natalie.
It's cool. And it continues to spin.
Come back in here.
Behind the purple one.
One more time.
The purple one's what?
You gotta do it super fast, though, to do it. Like, see? Don't you see the shape of the fidget spinner?
It has 3 sides. Like a triangle.
Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed.
It could be a
Please like,
triangle.
comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys later. Bye.